This is Haiti Merritt for Insulin Nation. We're here at the American Association of Diabetes Educators in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I'm here with Greg Meehan for Medtronic. Hey, Greg.
How you doing today, Katie?
I'm doing well. Thanks for joining 5Spot.
You're welcome. I'm glad to be here.
Great. I guess the first question is, how can your product make a diabetic's life better?
Well, that's what we're all about at Medtronic Diabetes, is improving the lives of people with diabetes. I think one of the things that we're really excited about is several years ago introducing the first integrated system where we took our insulin pump and combined it with continuous glucose monitoring technology to offer that to patients here in the United States and around the world. So that's very exciting.
That's huge.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people are improving the lives.
I'm proud of you.
Well, thank you. We're proud of us.
Yeah.
But clinically, it has been proven that it improves the lives of people with diabetes versus those that are taking multiple daily injections. So it is quite exciting on our pathway to the artificial pancreas.
That sort of leads into my next question about whether you target people who use insulin therapy or a competitor's brand. Do you market towards them at all, or is it newly diagnosed patients?
We market to all patients that have insulin taking requirements. So those that are type 1, type 2s, those that are newly diagnosed as well, those that have had diabetes for decades. I mean, we have a lot of patients that come to us very late in life that decide they want a better quality of life and they choose pump therapy with CGM technology.
That's cool. And you sort of touched on the topic about the closed loop. And it is, what I've been asking is whether your product can change to meet the market or if it will become obsolete. But yours obviously is it's already begun to morph into that.
Yeah, absolutely. The technology that we're building today is the foundation on our way to the fully artificial pancreas project, or the fully closed loop system. To build an artificial pancreas, you really need three things. You need a robust pumping system.
Robust. Excellent word.
Robust and accurate,
right,
you bet.
Right.
You need accurate and reliable sensor technology, and then you need algorithms that do the complicated math for the...
That's the evasive, that's like the thing, it's the algorithm that's everyone, Anyway, that's my take on it.
Well, I think the algorithm development is a critical piece of it, but I would contend that I think the sensor development is the most critical part of the entire system, in my opinion. I think because of the reliability and the accuracy required for a fully closed-loop system versus an open system, sensors are critically important, as is the algorithm and the pumping system. So it's really...
Well put. Well put.
Thank you.
So that takes care of the third question. The fourth question is, what are you most excited about on the diabetes technology horizon?
Well, obviously the technology on the pathway to the fully closed-loop system, or the artificial pancreas, is a very exciting piece. But there's a new category today that is out there in connected care, where we want to be able to provide real-time glucose information to people with diabetes and their care partners anywhere, anytime, to lead a better quality of life. So that's one of the things that we're very excited about.
What's a care partner?
It's a loved one, family member, maybe a husband, a spouse.
So not a provider?
Not a provider. We could take that information through a connected care solution and provide it to a provider as well, whether that be through alerts that would go to their office weekly, monthly, or whenever they would choose to receive those. But primarily the technology is designed to connect the family together, where it's a complicated disease, that of diabetes, and we want to simplify it and make it easier for those that have this condition to manage it more effectively.
That's a great answer. Thanks for joining 5Spot.